Welcome back to Take a Sip. Today we are going to make 3 different mojito. Super simple and super fun. You can make it easily at your home. So let's go. The first one we are going to make is virgin mojito. Mojito is the simple combination of mint, sugar, sour and soda. So combining this you will get a truly incredible, refreshing and delicious cocktail. There are different ways to make it. So this is our home version. I am going to muddle a full lime right into the glass. So cut it in 8 pieces. Separate leaves from twig. 6 to 12 leaves is just perfect. I prefer a strong flavor, so I make it 10 and keep some twig for garnishing. Now put lime inside. I put all the leaves in one hand and give it a nice flap. Now you need sugar syrup. You can easily get it from kitchen. Just mix sugar with water in 50-50% of ratio. As this is a long glass, so you need a long muddler. So here I am using a roti roller to muddle it. Now you need to press hard to squeeze juice from lime, but don't do it too long because we don't want much oil from skin, which makes our mojito extra bitter. Next we are adding some ice cubes. In mojito you can use any kind of vodka and white rum. Magic moment is not cost too much, so easy choice to make. From behind I am using some lemon lime soda, which is Sprite. To make this drink strong and refreshing, fill the empty space with soda. Now you need to give a good stir so all the flavors and liquids mix very well. Some more crushed ice on top of that, which will give it a unique look. A little lime for garnishing. Now just take mint twigs, which we have separated in beginning, and smack it few times to release aromatics and place it right on top of that. Next one is pineapple mojito. I am taking the leftover pineapples, making the skin out and cutting into small pieces so the juice comes out easily. I am using less lime this time than previous. A bunch of mint leaves is just fine in here. Put all the things into the glass and adding some sugar syrup, which is again a mix of sugar and water in 50% of ratio. Again you need to press hard to squeeze juice from pineapple. This time it will take a little long to muddle all the things together. Now I am stirring it to make sure nothing got stuck in bottom of the glass. Adding some cube ice, which will stay longer, and some vodka again. You can use any vodka or any white rum, whichever you prefer. Come behind with some soda, which will make the drink refreshing. Some crushed ice again on top of that, and for garnishing, a pineapple slice which I saved earlier and a bunch of mint leaves is just fine to go with that. Next one is watermelon mojito. Just grab your lime, cut the lime in half and make small pieces, 6 to 8. Then I am taking the watermelon, cut it into small pieces. If it is possible, you can try to separate seeds of watermelon, so it will not make any disturbance while drinking your cocktail. Separate leaves from twig. 6 to 12 leaves is just perfect, and keep some twig for garnishing. Now put lime inside the glass, come behind with some mint leaves and lots of watermelon slice. Now you need to press hard to squeeze all the things together so the juice comes out perfect from the watermelon. Okay, now you need to stir it a little bit. Make sure nothing got stuck on bottom of the glass. Now put lots of ice cubes. Come behind with some vodka. 60 ml of vodka is just perfect for this drink. come behind with some sugar syrup, and on top of that you need to fill it with soda. Give it a good stir so all the things can mix with each other. Some crushed ice again on top of that. For garnishing you need a watermelon cube, which I saved earlier. Now just take mint twig, which we have separated in the beginning. Smack it few times to release aromatics and place it right on top of the glass. If you enjoy watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay tuned with Take a Sip.